there is a local park here in my hometown, and there's this one particular tree. And the Park Service, I believe, hangs a small, like, suet cage from this tree. I guess because it's like right toward the entrance of the trail. And because they hang that suet cage there, a lot of the small songbirds and some other birds tend to come there at certain times of day to feed off that suet. And I've tended to call this tree, or kind of taken to calling this tree, the bird tree. Nice day. Got some nice shots. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. I'm not sure if I'm aiming it properly, so you might not even see this video. I hope that you do, because I'm getting some fantastic shots.
I'm at a public park. You're going to hear noise, all kind of things, people talking to children and all that. And they're all just as perfectly. Uh, they all have a right to be here just as much as I do. One of the things that I hate the most is you have photographers. Oh, all these people making it. What's a public place, dude? But there's a lull in the action right now. Hopefully, they'll come back. But I had some people walk up and stand almost right next to that tree, within probably the distance that I am, but talk very loudly, stuff like that. So I've got to stop talking right now, and hopefully they will come. It's been a fantastic day. Thanks for coming along. I'll talk to you later.